A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. Okay, so 30-meter tall, and he is 1.5 meter tall. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building is increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So the diagram goes like this. We need to have a surface well, for him to walk and the building to stand. So we have the building. Okay. Now we have the person's height as well, right? So first thing is what else? Then apparently he walks towards the building. So let him walk towards the building, and he happens to be standing over there. So something like this. First thing first. First is structure, which we did. Second thing is we need to make a note of where and what is observed. So we are observing over here from two different points. So basically, my line of sight will look like this. So I have two line of sights because he walks towards and again looks at it. Since he's walking, since we have the height of the person also, the horizontal line, right, has to be parallel to the surface and at a height wherein his eye level is there. So this is his eye level, and we need to draw a line which is horizontal, parallel to the surface. So horizontal line. Okay, so this is the entire diagram. Now let's mark the things. So he's of height 1.5 meters, and this is of height 30 meters. Okay, this entire thing is 30 meters. So this height is 1.5 meters. So this height will be 2.28.5 meters, is it not? Because see, the end of it, we have to work with the triangle, and height of the triangle, the length of the triangle sides is what we need, right? So that's what I'm trying to do over here. And when he's far, he looks at the top of the building, and it makes an angle of 30 degree as per this information. And he walks closer, and it becomes 60 degree, right? It makes sense. You look up when you go near a building, so it makes sense. So if I name this as A, B, C, D, and all of that, A, B, this is C, and this is D, right? We have to find what distance he has walked, basically AB. We have to find this distance. Okay, so we began with diagram, and we'll continue with finding AC, because ADC is a right angle triangle, BDC is a right angle triangle, AC and BC is what we have to figure out. So we need to calculate A of C. In triangle ACD, tan of A, right? Because we have to find adjacent and we know opposite. So this is the only way to go about. Tan A is DC by AC. So tan of 30 is 28.5 divided by A of C. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. And if I use cross multiplication, so let me do that. AC is equal to 28.5 root 3 meters. Okay, next. Calculating BC in triangle BDC, tan of B, right? Tan B is opposite DC by adjacent BC. So we have tan 60 is equal to 28.5 divided by, oh yeah, I made a mistake. No. I didn't. No, I didn't. This is BC. So I'll show you the calculation. BC into root of 3 is equal to 28.5. Then I'll transpose root of 3. So 28.5 divided by root 3. Right. And I need to rationalize this. So I'll multiply and divide with root 3. So this is 28.5 root 3 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 9 and 5, 9.5 root 3. So 9.5 root of 3 meters. Okay, so end of it we have AB is equal to AC minus BC. AC is 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root of 3. So the difference is 19 root 3. I hope, I think I did the math right. So yes, he walked a distance of 19 point root 3. So this is 19 root 3 meters. That's it. Okay, so if you want to write a statement, do write so. Depending on the marks, you can end up writing that. So you can pause and have a look at the answer. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.